The Ankylosaurus started as this passive dinosaur just hanging out and chewing on grass. And I was at the zoo one day, and there was this sea lion there. And it just would swim around and go, "Wah, wah." And I thought, that's a great sound. And I didn't know what I'd use it for, but as this Ankylosaurus scene took off, I thought, well, that's kind of a pathetic and bellowy sound. That'll be fun. Here's our sea lion. Colin and ILM started playing around. It became much more of a part of the film. I kept seeing new updates and going, wow, this thing's got to do more than just, I probably threw something else in there, but that main sort of plaintive bellow is our sea lion.